Hello YouTube, Daniel here. Oh yeah, why did I do this? I don't know. This was a 3/8 smooth finish on them. Here's some 3/8. There's some more 3/8. There's the ones for the torque wrench. There's some 1/2 inch drive torque wrench for the ratchets. These ones are all 1/2 inch drive. These ones here are all 1/4 drive. There's even some flat ones on this. They got that knurled bit around the end. Hell, there's even 3/4 drive here. There's like 40 of them altogether. I have to count them yet, but there's at least 6 of those. I don't know how many of these other ones. I can't count them up yet. But yeah, so Mastercraft new old stock. There's even some where's that one? It's in this pile here somewhere. There's some that have like a face on them, like a snap-on. Yeah, there's that style. There's that one, that style. Yeah. Alright, I guess for you Canadian guys, if you see one here that has your part number, or you might think it will work for you, I'm willing to send them out. Not all of them, but we'll send a couple of some people who are in desperate need of rebuilding their ratchets. Alright, like, comment, subscribe, share. Hey, just stop by and say hello. Daniel out.